Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by killing power, unplug the blind motor and switch the breaker off. This prevents shocks and preserves the motor. Once done, test for live voltage to make sure it's dead. Next, remove the valance and expose the headrail. You want clear access to the motor and control box. Inspect remote batteries and the motor status LED because many problems are just power or sync issues. Make sure to note wiring colors and any labels before you disconnect anything. You now dig into the motor and control module to find the failure mode. Start by measuring continuity and resistance across motor leads. Unexpected open or short tells you whether the motor coil is damaged. Then remove covers and inspect the gearbox, drive belt, and limit switch assembly for wear, stripped gears, or foreign objects that block movement. Once the mechanical path is clear, bench test the controller. Apply the correct voltage per label to confirm. You finish by replacing faulty components and putting everything back together carefully, because alignment and secure connections prevent repeat failures. Install new gears or limit switches with OEM-compatible parts. Make sure wire terminals match the recorded positions and use proper strain relief. Once reassembled, restore power and run several full up and down cycles, recalibrating limit settings so stops are precise. If the blind fails to move, try manual jog pulses and recheck voltage at the motor. If voltage is present but no motion, the motor is likely bad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.